Okay, so we've just finished up on this roof, and I've screwed it all off. I've got rid of all the old screws that were rusting on the sheets and making rust stains, and I've filled the holes, the loose holes that were laying around. But I've just got to go around and there's these. See this here? That's torn on either side there of the screw. That there was already like that. It's not even you know, and so I've just got to put a little bit of silicone on either side of it, but it's just from people over tightening the screws on the sheet, so I'll do that. And up here is the same, so just these little kinks on either side, the sheet tears, and it's not from me. They were already over tightened like that, you know. So anyway, we'll fix that up. That's all part of doing the job, and then we're all done. Except that I've just got to go around the front of the roof, and there's a little piece out the front to do. And so you can see my offsiders putting the ladder up out the front. If you're a subcontractor, you just hop off the roof now, and you wouldn't worry about doing that little bit, because it's as much work to do that little bit as to do the rest of the roof. But that's why you pay the extra money, so then we do the job properly for you.